Presenting our AI IP camera. One camera, endless possibilities. Specifications: face detection, face comparison, electronic fencing, people counting, car number plate capture, off-duty detection. Now let's see how face detection works. When someone passes in front of the camera so it detects the person and save in data on the left side of screen, as you can see. If the data of a person is already saved, then our AI camera will recognizes and display his name. Let's talk about line cross detection. User has to draw an imaginary line on the camera view, and when a person crosses that line, camera can raise the alarm and blink the light, as it is illustrated by the video. If the user wants to count the people passes in front of the camera, then he can activate people counting function. The user can also download the data in Excel format. Now let's discuss about the car number plate reading when the car passes in front of the camera. So it detects the number plate of a car and saves data as shown in the video. And also you can see the night vision of LPR camera, how clear it is. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.